Did you know that England's kings and queens have some of the most shocking burial disasters in history? Richard III's body was lost for 500 years under a parking lot in Leicester. When they finally found him, they discovered he'd been buried in a hastily dug grave. After Charles I was beheaded, someone sewed his head back on completely wrong for his funeral. The head was facing the wrong direction. When they opened William the Conqueror's tomb in 1522, it was completely empty. No one knows where England's most famous conqueror actually ended up. Henry I's body was pickled in salt, but it still rotted so badly that mourners ran away from his funeral because of the terrible smell. Alfred the Great's remains are still missing, even though people claim to have found him multiple times. But here's the wildest part. Modern DNA testing revealed that several royal skulls in Westminster Abbey belong to completely random people. England's most sacred burial site has been displaying unknown medieval corpses as kings for centuries.